Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed insights on top-rated products you can trust. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best men's Caterpillar work boots on the market, the Caterpillar Threshold Waterproof Soft Toe Boots. These boots are made by Cat Footwear, a brand known for building rugged, dependable workwear that performs in the toughest environments. The Threshold Waterproof Soft Toe Boot is a standout in their lineup. At first glance, you'll notice the classic all-black leather exterior that gives off a strong, no-nonsense impression. But this boot isn't just about looks, it's built to work. One of its biggest strengths is its waterproofing. The boot is designed with a breathable waterproof membrane that keeps water out while letting air flow through, so your feet stay dry but not sweaty. That's critical for long hours on the job, especially in wet or unpredictable conditions. The upper is made from 100% leather, which not only adds durability but also ensures it molds to your foot over time for a custom feel. It's tough enough to take a beating on construction sites or in industrial settings, and the leather also provides some natural resistance to abrasions. Let's talk about grip. This is where a lot of boots slip, literally. But not the Threshold. Its rubber outsole is slip-resistant, giving you traction on everything from oily concrete floors to loose gravel. Whether you're climbing ladders or walking across slick surfaces, you'll feel more stable and sure-footed. Now, the sole itself is flexible enough to move with you but firm enough to provide the support you need. It's EH-rated as well, meaning it provides electrical hazard protection, a crucial safety feature if you're working around live wires or open circuits. The soft toe design keeps things lightweight. It doesn't have a steel or composite toe, so it's not built for jobs requiring heavy impact protection. But if you're looking for comfort, flexibility, and protection from the elements, the soft toe design gives you a more comfortable everyday wear experience, especially for those working long shifts. Shaft height hits right at the ankle, offering just enough support while still allowing natural movement. The padded collar and tongue also add to the comfort level, which you'll really appreciate by the end of the day. And yes, it's imported, but don't let that fool you. The build quality is excellent. From the stitching to the finishing touches, Caterpillar hasn't cut corners. The fit is true to size, and at size 10, the boot gives you ample room without feeling bulky. To sum it up, the Caterpillar Threshold Waterproof Soft Toe Boot is an outstanding choice for anyone needing durable, weather-resistant footwear for industrial or construction environments, without compromising on comfort. If you're searching for the perfect mix of performance, comfort, and rugged design, this is it. This boot doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.